Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about why diversity and inclusion is critical for high-performing teams. I'm Patrick Miller. I'm a digital business specialist, and you're in the right place if you want unconventional advice to make it happen. If you haven't already, subscribe on YouTube or connect on LinkedIn so you won't miss future uploads. Are you ready to make it happen? Traditional skill-based recruiting is boring. It produces boring teams. They are good at what they were hired for, like an assembly line. But when things change, and they always do, the team is lost trying to apply yesterday's solution to today's new problem. Know what I mean? Assembling a team and fine-tuning it for high performance is artwork. It takes careful selection and nurturing, not selection based on skills and experience. Initial skills and experience are a poor indicator of longer-term team performance. I hire people for what they can become, not what they are today. And when interviewing candidates, my first question is always about their hobbies. Yeah, go ahead and laugh, but it's true. I'm not just looking for fellow kiteboarders. I want to know what makes them tick, what makes them interesting and unique. Why? Because differences produce better solutions, make a team resilient to change, and creates a fun and interesting environment. And this is a secret sauce to high performance. I've had the honor of building and working in some truly exceptional teams, and will share some of the things that have helped me in the past. Number one, gender diversity is the first and easiest thing to do. I've built several teams in male-dominated professions in male-dominated countries and struggled until Chaltai Topchu showed me how gender balance improves team performance. Women bring a different perspective and create a more balanced environment. On top, they bring stability. Men are more likely to leave to make a few bucks more. Women, paid equally, value a positive work environment, and team stability is one of the most important factors in achieving high performance. Constant turnover is a tax on performance. Recently, I've hired women, some part-time, who were struggling to re-enter the workforce after taking parental leave. This has worked out very well. They bring a different perspective and appreciate the opportunity to re-enter the market, learn new skills, and enjoy a flexible work environment. Number two, age diversity is another easy thing to do. It is refreshing to have part-time students and fresh graduates in the team. Talk about energy and drive, they bring it. Equally, it is good to have older team members too. They bring experience and a calming effect. You need both youthful energy and experience that comes with age to maintain balance and avoid an emotional roller coaster. Both age and gender diversity are visible and easily implemented. There are no excuses. Next, I will talk about non-visible diversity, which is also important. Number three, different ways of thinking. Ever take the Myers-Briggs personality test? It's very interesting. It reveals your preferences and how you perceive the world and make decisions. I am an INTP, introverted, intuitive, thinking, and perceiving, basically a nerd at heart. The main takeaways are different people communicate differently, make decisions differently, and experience things around them differently. Different personality types remove bias, blind spots, and same thinking, which improves decision making. Working with people unlike you requires and promotes curiosity, and curiosity is a key ingredient to teams that organically evolve, teams that constantly seek new ideas and improved ways of working. I like to surround myself with people who challenge me, challenge my way of thinking and my conclusions. Number four, different interests. Every great team needs an aspiring rock star. Someone with rock star hair like mine, or a health enthusiast, a sports enthusiast, pilot or a yoga trainer, a traveler, an artist. And throw in a kiteboarder and you have an interesting team. I've had all of these and more in past teams. I'm not sure about the correlation with team performance, but I sense it is good for team morale and stability. And it just makes the work environment more fun and interesting. Deep friendships are made. Trust and a feeling of family nourish commitment. And commitment is needed for those days when you gotta go the extra mile to meet the deadline. Number five, inclusion is a secret sauce that makes all the diversity pay off. You can't just stuff a team full of different people and expect great things. For a team to truly reach its potential, leaders must foster a culture that's inclusive, not just diverse. You have to create an inclusive environment where people feel comfortable being different, and where differences are acknowledged, accepted, and even celebrated. Different must be seen as positive. Here is what you need to remember. Diversity improves long-term performance. Recruit for diversity, not just skills. Seek balance. in gender and age and personalities, ways of thinking and interests. Then glue it all together with inclusion and an environment that values curiosity. Think about teams that you've worked in, both good and bad. And tell me in the comments down below if I'm right or wrong. Share your opinion. I'm very curious. If you found this interesting, hit the like icon so that others will get a chance to see it. If you have questions or are struggling to make progress, send a message on LinkedIn or email me directly. We work with companies struggling with digital transformation and innovation, building a game plan, assembling a winning team, increasing technology flexibility, and prototyping new ideas. Contact us today to get started. Remember to subscribe or connect on LinkedIn so you won't miss anything, and share with colleagues who may find this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go make it happen.